come through and chill. Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, back y'all day. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while, I know, I'm sorry. Like, honestly, just a little slide note, you can skip over this. I had to handle life, honestly. It's been school and work that has been, you know, taking up all my time, and I didn't have time to film. Being sick on top of that during a semester in university is not really easy, you know what I'm saying? Like, girl, I had to grind, you know what I'm saying, just to pass my classes. But I'm back, and I'm gonna definitely try to do better. Anyway, let's get to this wig. I know that's why you're here. All right, so we have another wig today. We have another wig from Sensationnel, and I have her in the style Zaila, and this is the stock card. I have her in a color 1. It's giving me 90s, it's giving me back in the day, you know what I'm saying? If you'd like to know how I got into this point, make sure to keep watching.
Okay, body. Alright, so here's the wig, nothing done to it, straight out of the pack. And I'm going to also show you how it looks on. It's actually very cute now that I'm looking back at this footage, and I like it. But yeah, this is after I've applied my foundation and cut off the lace, and unfortunately it's way too small for my head, so I'm just going to opt out and do a style because I can't wear it, you know, how it's styled or whatever, unfortunately. Okay, so we're just going to do a side part and an updo with a little bit in the back. Pretty simple, nothing too hard. So I'll just tell you what I'm doing with the lace. So I'm just gonna do 2 layers of got to be, like always, blow drying in between, and apply the wig. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and yeah, and of course do the style. But I think everyone knows how to do a side bang and an updo. It's not hard. So keep watching for my ending thoughts.
So let's get into this wig. What do I think about it? I think this wig, I think it's cute. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's not really a fave of mine. It's really not given favorite. It's not even top 10 for me, honestly. I mean, it's not ugly though, like, you know what I'm saying? If you into like shinier wigs and the texture, like I said previously, like just now, it's shiny. The lace is actually quite blendable, I will say that. You can see it does look good. It's a little shiny, but the hair's shiny too, so it's okay. But yeah, the lace is cool, you know, it's not bad. It blended quite well. Lace is okay. As far as my pros and my cons, I'm gonna start with my pros. I like the lace. What is it, 13 by 6? So it's 13 by 6, yeah, so I like the amount of lace it comes with. I like how the lace blends. And that's it. It's nothing else that's really giving me. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna keep it a stack. Cons. Okay, this wig sheds like crazy. It sheds. Like even while I was doing all this, you know, the stuff I was doing to it, it was shedding. I have like hair all over my legs and stuff. So if you were to get this wig, please keep that in mind that it does shed. Is it every day? Honestly, no. Like I told you, the texture of this hair is silky. Did I say silky? I think I just said shiny. It's actually silky. So I wouldn't advise wearing this wig every day because it's shiny. I've said this before in my previous videos that I do not recommend shinier wigs for everyday use if you were trying to, you know, get into synthetic wigs, because they usually tangle quicker, look, you know, raggedy. Y'all know how synthetic hair that's been, you know what I'm saying? When it looks like that, it looks like that. Like when it's shinier, you can tell that it's ragged at the end, and you can definitely tell it's synthetic. So that's why I prefer yakier textures, because it looks natural, it looks more real, and when it gets like that, oh, you can't really tell because it kind of mimics that. If that makes any sense, like if you wear synthetic wigs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. With synthetic hair, with shinier textures, it's easier to tell that it's getting old than with yakier textures. If that makes sense. I hope it does. Is it big head friendly? Hell no. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not big head friendly. I have a 23-inch circumference, so I have a big head, okay? And this wig did not fit my head at all. During my install, you can see that it was just not given fitting my head at all. Like at all. I really had to like make this work. If you are trying to get it to like wear it like how it comes out the pack and you know your hair big, I do not recommend this wig for that. The price for this wig, $56.99. Shout out to Samsbeauty for sending me this wig to review for you guys. Alright, I think that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to your girl to, you know, let me know that you're digging my content. Okay? Okay. See you in my next one.